Let's break down Amazon's commission rates for associates in 2026. Amazon associates earn money by promoting products on their website or social media with unique links and receiving a percentage of the sale based on the product category. Associates receive a percentage of each sale made through their referral links. Rates vary from 1% to 12% depending on the product category. These rates can also be affected by tiers based on monthly sales volume or engagement metrics. We will go over an example of rates. For instance, selling a $100 electronics item at 10% commission earns $10 for the associate. Higher rates and tiers mean more earnings from each sale, increasing overall income potential. Commission rates differ significantly between product categories on Amazon associates. For example, low-margin items like books might earn you just 1% commission, while high-margin categories such as electronics or home goods could offer up to 12%. Apparel can be around 6 to 8%, and toys and games around 5 to 7%. New categories like sustainable products and AI tools now offer boosted rates of 8 to 10%. Stay updated on the latest rates within the Amazon Associates dashboard. Amazon operates a tiered commission system where affiliates earn different rates based on their performance. Affiliates generally start at a base rate, such as 4 to 6%. This is the entry level for all new members. Progressing to higher tiers requires consistent performance. For example, Tier 2 offers 7 to 9% for $5,000 monthly sales, while Tier 3 provides 10 to 12% for $20,000 monthly sales. Your tier level is determined by monthly sales volume and conversion rates. Consistent high-quality referrals lead to advancement. Amazon tracks your performance through detailed reports, showing units shipped, revenue, and current tier status. The most reliable place to find current commission rates is within your Amazon Associates account. Log in and navigate to the Help section or Program Policies. Commission rates are subject to change, so regularly checking the official Amazon resources is critical. Amazon also announces rate changes through email, so be sure to monitor your account and email. To maximize earnings, focus on driving both sales volume and high conversion rates. Higher sales volume means more commissions, while conversion rates above 5% help you qualify for higher tier payouts. Analyze your performance metrics in the Amazon Associates dashboard. Review earnings overviews, click data, and conversion rates to understand what works best for your audience. Micro-influencers are succeeding by focusing on niche categories, analyzing data, and optimizing high ROAS links. This targeted approach builds trust and drives better conversions. Focus on high-quality content and targeted promotion. Authenticity builds trust, while strategic placement of affiliate links maximizes earnings potential. Amazon is offering boosted rates in emerging categories like sustainable products and AI tools. Take advantage of these opportunities by promoting eco-friendly items or AI-related products. Higher commissions, up to 10% for eco-friendly categories, are trending, aligning with global ESG goals. This approach can increase earnings and attract a more engaged audience. Commission rates can vary by region. In the EU and Asia Pacific, rates have been standardized to 4 to 8% across categories, with localized boosts for high-performing affiliates. Be aware of specific regional incentives and tailor your content to local markets. Keep up with Amazon's global program updates for any regional opportunities. Adhere to Amazon's policies and guidelines to avoid penalties or account suspension. Ensure transparent labeling and proper disclosures, especially with increasing FTC scrutiny. Spammy affiliates are often banned, highlighting the need for authentic marketing. Always prioritize quality referrals over quantity to maintain a healthy account. Also, be sure to keep up with any changes to Amazon's fraud detection policies.